Here we have a take on the dangers of going to Mars. Dangers await humans on Mars as Elon Musk sets his sights on colonization. So here we have a science journalist by the name of Shannon Sterone. She said that SpaceX founder Elon Musk is absolutely out into space when it comes to the unrealistic colonization of Mars and listed the myriad of ways the red planet can kill humans. Here's the quote. You can choose between your blood boiling, fizzing up like a can of soda, dying from having your muscles deteriorate, freezing to death, you name it. You have a lot of options, says the author of a recent Atlantic article, Mars is a hellhole. Musk, on the other hand, says he's highly confident that SpaceX will land humans on Mars by 2026, adding that it's an achievable goal about 6 years from now.
Huh.
I didn't know he was saying 2026. That feels really soon.
Yeah, very soon.
Because these rockets aren't really completely those SpaceX vehicles not exactly worked out yet, but yeah. I guess they're making progress. The starships and whatnot. I guess they're making progress. Well, look, I don't really care. I'm not going to hold them to 2026. It's a cool project. It's a cool target.
Yeah.
I'm also not going to tell him all the ways you're going to die. I'm sure he's aware of all the ways you're going to die.
Sure.
It's not ideal trying to go to another planet. It's not going to be easy. Most things, Will, that are worthwhile, they have some challenges involved in them. So I'm not going to try to discourage it. But yeah, certainly, if you land there right now, there's about 1 billion ways you're going to die. And it's not going to be without its complications. And I believe Elon or others have at least said that first group of individuals pretty much needs to be prepared to die there. Whoever is willing to step on board for that initial trip to Mars.
Yeah, and basically not coming back.
You're not coming back.
It's not a round trip.
Yeah, even if you are capable of, like, whatever they can fit in the payload, this is the part that kind of screws me up. Like, what can you send preemptively? They just sent the rover there. Can you send supplies or the materials that you're going to need to build the correct environment for survival? Can you start shipping that stuff and dropping it down in advance? And
isn't robots supposed to do that? They kind of...
I mean, that would be amazing, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not that crazy for us to say, but the costs involved, I think, are kind of out of control because, like you saw this rover situation. They're crossing their fingers. They spent years on it. Mm-hmm. So the whole thing, yes, it's a lot of moving pieces, but it's having an impossible target can be a really, it can make for a really exciting life.
Yes.
So I'm not trying to discourage that, but yeah, it's going to be hard. Who knows if he'll ever get there, but... I don't know why she sounded like pretty angry about it, or I don't know. Maybe I don't know maybe not. Maybe she's trying to sell a book.
Sure. Yeah.
Right. I might get out.
Or maybe she's trying.
If I had a book, Will, it's called Mars is a Hellhole. I'm probably gonna go around and tell you that Elon Musk is crazy and Mars is gonna kill you in 5 seconds. So that's fine too.